In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send internal notifications on WhatsApp in Gohighlevel. To get started, log into your Gohighlevel account and head to the main dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu for most of the tools you'll need. From that menu, click on Automation. This is the area where Gohighlevel lets you build logic-based processes that run automatically in the background. After that, click on Workflows. Workflows are what you'll use to create the notification sequence that sends your internal WhatsApp alert. Once you're on the Workflows page, click Create Workflow. Gohighlevel will give you a few ways to begin, and for the setup, choose Select from Template. Using a template can save time and give you a structure to build from, especially if you don't want to start from a blank workflow. Now go ahead and choose a template that fits the type of process you want to automate. The exact template can vary depending on your use case, but the goal here is simply to open a workflow that you can customize for internal notifications. Inside the workflow, click Add New Trigger. Then click Triggers to choose what event should start the automation. This trigger is important because it determines when the internal WhatsApp notification will be sent. After selecting the trigger, add any filters you need. Filters help narrow down exactly when the workflow should fire, so you're only sending notifications under the right conditions. This is especially useful if you want to avoid unnecessary messages. Once your trigger and filters are configured, click Save Trigger. That locks in the starting condition for your workflow. Next, click the plus icon or Add button to continue building the automation, then select Add Action. This is where you'll tell Gohighlevel what should happen after the trigger is activated. From the list of available actions, look for the WhatsApp option and select it. This is the action that will be used to send your internal notification through WhatsApp. At this stage, you're essentially connecting the event that happens in your workflow with the message action that follows. A good tip here is to double check that you've chosen the correct trigger and that your filters are specific enough before moving on. That helps keep your automations clean and prevents alerts from being sent at the wrong time. And that's the setup process for creating a WhatsApp-based internal notification workflow in Gohighlevel. Once everything is in place, your workflow will be ready for the next stage of customization and testing.